Okay, so we have a problem. Let me tell you what the problem is. I cannot connect my mic 2, DJI mic 2 to my Insta360 X3 camera. Okay, I've looked for videos. I can't find any videos that explain what the resolution is. Resolution? Well, anyway, what the fix is. The fix is, and what I've done, I went to the download page, and there's two versions, the newest version, which is the 1.6, and then the old version, which is 1.4. But the problem with that is when you download the 1.4, it looks exactly the same as the 1.6. So I did do that. I downloaded the 1.4, installed it, followed the directions, followed what it said on their site, and I thought I was installing the 1.4, but when I went and looked at it on my phone, it was still 1.6. So the two downloads are exactly the same, the 1.4 and the 1.6. I thought maybe if I download the older version, it would work. Well, what I did is I downloaded it to my download folder and then copied it and pasted it to the root directory of the Insta360. And it did say, okay, we're updating your firmware. And when I looked at it again on the phone, it was still 1.6. It wasn't 1.4. After I thought I was downloading or upgrading to 1.4 or downgrading. Okay, so what I get is this other devices. That's all I get, is other devices. This never comes up. Now, I thought, well, maybe it's the problem with the mic. So I did the pairing with the phone. I've got an Android and a Samsung, which I'm using, the Samsung S23, and it came right up in the Bluetooth list. You know, this mic came right up. I didn't install it because I know it's going to work if I hit the mic. So I know it works, and it still works with the Pocket 3, which is what this was designed for. And I keep testing it to make sure it still works with the Pocket 3, and it still does. But I've done everything. I've looked at videos, I've done searches on Google, I've done everything I could to install it, but it still comes up as other devices. It does not want to show up as the mic. Like I say, it's crazy. I've seen a lot of people install this mic on this camera with no problems, and it, you know, all over the place. It gives you instructions on how to do it, and I know how to pair. You know, you wait till this thing turns blue, and then you make it flash real fast. Then you go over here to your AirPods or iPods, and when it searches, it finds nothing but other devices. I'm not sure what that means, because you hit other devices, nothing happens. So there's a few of you out there I know that are having the same problem, but I need someone to tell me how to fix it, because I don't know. I just bought this X3 for $229, brand new in the box. Just got it a couple days ago. Yeah. I still got the box sitting over here. But anyway, yeah, they've come down a lot, because now the X6 is out there. So I had the X5 at one time, and I decided, oh no, I want the little Pocket. So I sold the X5, but I didn't see much difference between the X3 and the X5. I'm sure there's a lot of differences, and I'm sure the picture's nicer, greater, more clear, and better colors, and better at night, and all this other stuff. But this just works just as good for me. So I just went back and repurchased it, the X3, because I had the X3 to begin with. Long story short, I'm back with the X3 and I'm trying to pair this mic 2 with this camera and I can't. So if anybody has a solution or has a fix, because I've tried everything, I've reset the camera, I've also upgraded the firmware on the mic, and like I said, I did the upgrade on the firmware on the camera. I don't know what else to do. I've done everything imaginable that you can think of. And nowhere could I find a video on someone that actually fixed it. So if you have a solution, please let me know. Just send me a quick comment saying, hey, I fixed it. And tell me how you did it, because I don't know what else to do. It's not the mic. I think it's more of the camera, but I don't know, because a lot of people are doing it. So is it the camera itself? This one camera that's doing it? I don't know. They also say, well, your computers and your other things in the house may interfere. Well, I might do one last try. I'll go for a ride in the truck. I'll go far away from anything that might interfere with connecting. If that works, I'll definitely let you know. But apparently the router or TV or anything that has Bluetooth may interfere in connecting. So, but that's the only other thing I can try is go away from the house, because I've got, we've got 2 phones here and all sorts of stuff. I got a receiver over here that has Bluetooth, my computer has Bluetooth. I also turned the Bluetooth off in my computer. I don't think my wife has Bluetooth. Anyway, I am going to try that. I'm just going to go take a ride, see if I can pair it outside away from this house. That's the only other thing I can think of. Other than that, like I say, if you can figure it out and let me know, I would really, really appreciate it, because I'd like to use this mic. It sounds really good. It sounds good on the Pocket 3, and I'm sure it probably sounds good on my phone. But I have this other mic here that I use for the phone. So, and that's the Cookie-ho, whatever. Gang, you see that? All right. This has 2 mics and a receiver, and the receiver is on the phone. So, all right. Well, that's all I got. I hope someone can help me. What else we're gonna do, right? All right. So I'm gonna shut you down. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell and let me know if you find a solution to this problem. All right.